Nature's Garden Bite Me Fragrance Oil. Dracula would fall in love with this fragrance. Fresh citrus notes of lime and orange sparkle with effervescent highlights as they lead to a luscious blend of berry and cherry in this playful scent. Leafy green accents add intensity as a base of vanilla creates sweet tones for the fragrance. A Nature's Garden original. Our customers create sensual products with this fragrance oil, including captivating decorative candles, seductive homemade soaps, provocative bath and body products, and inviting room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.